everybody! Welcome to another unboxing video.
Another unboxing video.
I don't know if it'll be the last one for a while or not, but yeah. I got Detective Pikachu, as you can see. The tin. This tin of treasure. The detective's treasure chest. So the Pokemon Detective's treasure chest. But yes. I decided to open one. It has, like, quite a few of the Detective Pikachu cards, but it also has, seems like two other packs from different boosters. I'm not sure which ones, if it's like random or not, because I've never opened one of these. So yes, it'll be all new to me. I have no idea what to expect in this type of thing. Open it up here. Yeah. To use my little knife. There we go. So shiny! So shiny it looks white. There we go. Oh, that looks so much better. Alright. Let's see what we have in here. Oh wow, okay. So, right from the box, like you get this plastic thing. It has all the cards in it. All the booster packs, and it has a special, it looks like it has a special coin that has Pikachu's hat. It's all shiny. Shiny hat. And you get the Pikachu pin, the ears, the hat and the ears pin. Pretty cute. I might wear that. And let's see. I got a bunch of booster packs. Okay, we got Rising Guardians and Crimson Invasions in here, along with the other Detective Pikachu booster packs. So we got quite a bit. And let's see. We got stickers of Pikachu. They're like outlines with his hat on for Detective Pikachu.
Of
Pretty
course.
pretty cute. And there's a notepad in here. Detective Pikachu on the bottom. Big. It's a nice size notepad, actually. I'm probably gonna use this at some point. And that's it. That's actually the only thing that's left in there. So you got a clean slate in there. So.
Yay, more storage.
Yay. So what should I open first? All the Detective Pikachu ones, or should I keep the other ones for last, or go first on them?
I would say go ahead and open up the two random packs. And
Okay, which one should I
stay.
open? Should I open
Uh,
Crimson Invasion or Guardians Rising?
let's see what's in Guardians Rising.
Okay. Let's check out what's that first. Eh. 2, 3, 4. Them in front. Okay. Alright, we have Helioptile, Murkrow, Alolan Sandshrew, Machop, Chansey. There's Energy, a Rescue Stretcher, Sudowoodo, Metang. Okay, Reverse Hollow Jagomomo, and Orichireo. The bird. The weird bird. Looks like it's cheering Pokemon.
The dancing bird.
The dance burb. It is the dancing Pokemon. Okay, so there's that one. And here's that thing for you wonderful people that want to have codes. Alright, so shall I get the Crimson Invasion then?
Crimson Invasion.
Alright. Crimson Invasion. It better be good.
Hopefully.
No, it's terrible. No, I'm just kidding. There's the
That's gonna end
code
up being
card.
yeah, it's just gonna end up being pure
2,
trash. Totally.
3, 4. Yeah, total trash. The trash Pokemon. That's Garbodor. Execute! Jigglypuff. I'm not doing this right. Chimco. There we go. Oh, it's Spoink. Oh, I like that Swablu. It looks like it's like frightened of something. Like, ah! Fire energy. The Sea of Nothingness. That's an interesting stadium card. Gastrodon. Looks like they're. I'm not sure what's going on in this picture. Is this one like trying to smush the other one, or is they just surprised at each other? I'm not sure. Zwellis. Oh, a reverse hauler Zwellis. Okay. And a Houndoom. That's pretty cool. Nothing special, but eh. He's got a reverse hollow, I guess. Alright. Let's get to these Detective Pikachu card packs. They only have 4 in each one, so they're a little different than just normal everyday ones, so I don't know. Looks like they put the first ones in front. Oh, they do have code cards. Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Well, there's a code card, if it'll ever... There it goes. I'm just gonna go through them, I'm not sure. So you got Marlol, Bulbasaur. They're all hollows. So you got Bulbasaur, you got Jigglypuff, you got Machamp. Oh, that's pretty cool. So yeah, these ones are all rares, like every single one of them, seems like. They all have hollows. They're all holographic. So you automatically get holographic cards, but you don't know which ones you'll get in these ones. You might get the same one all the time. There's another code card. There's a Jigglypuff. Oh yeah, I got Psyduck. He looks scared though. Poor Psyduck. Oh, it's Magikarp. And Slot King. He's just hanging out there. He's just hanging out with the best of them. Okay, here's the code card. And let's see. You got Psyduck, Magikarp, like the last one. Oh, we got Charmander in this one. And ooh, we got Greninja. It's awesome. I like how all of them are hollow. It's pretty neat. Looks like we have another Bulbasaur. There's the other code card. Okay, we got Bulbasaur. Yeah, look at Tongue. He looks like he's happy. The Snubble. That face, though.
Snow.
Oh, hey, it's Mr. Mime doing like he's running the motorcycle. He's getting away. I love that. That scene was great. Okay, we've got 3 more packs. Got another lick of tongue, it looks like. There's the code. There's Lickitung. Snubble. Jigglypuff. A Ludicolo! Cool. I like that character. He's serving food to someone. Maybe to you, I don't know. But he has food dishes in his hand, so who knows who he's serving it to.
Who knows?
Who knows? Here's the wonderful code card. I don't know if anyone will get them. If not, I'll take them, I guess. I don't mind. There's Snubble. Psyduck. There's Charmander! Oh, hey, here's Detective Pikachu.
Nice.
He has surprise attack. This one. He's looking with his magnifying glass at something he's found. Checking it out. Like, what's this? So now I have two types of Detective Pikachu. Okay, here we go. Is the code card. Wow, that like was amazing at focusing at that last one. It was just like immediately a focused. I was like, whoa, okay. Never does that. There's Psyduck, Charmander, Bulbasaur. Oh, we got Charizard. Sweet. The realistic Charizard. With Wild Tackle. Even though it's kind of a dumb move, but oh well. Still, that wasn't too bad. At least we got Charizard and Greninja. Those are pretty good ones. But yes. So that was the entire Detective Pikachu tin that I got. So what did you think?
I think that it's a really excellent 10.
I think it's cool. I actually do like it. I mean, you get these cool stickers and stuff with them as well as the cards, and hey, it's pretty interesting. Plus, you get the cool coin. Looks so shiny.
Definitely.
And also a pin, so that's always a plus.
You get really neat stuff in it.
That's always a plusle.
Plusful. It's always a plus and not a minion.
Yes, not a minion. uh, yes. I don't know if I'll do any more, but yeah, this is one of the ones that I decided to open because I don't have anything else right now. But yes, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll make some more like speed paint videos sometime soon. I just have having to go through a lot recently, so it might be a while. But I'll try. So, bye everyone!